Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the fingerprint sensor not working in your Samsung Galaxy A36. So actually the first thing that you should do is to take some cloth. It can be microfiber one, but it has to be soft cloth and of course dry. If you do have some oily screen or that's dirty that see that this is dirty, you can just use a little bit of alcohol, but I do prefer to have it dry. Now wipe the area here where you have your fingerprint sensor at the bottom, and after that check if it works. As you can see, mine does work. If yours works too, that's nice. If yours still doesn't, you need to now go to the settings in your device back again, just go to the settings and scroll down. Tap lock screen and AOD, tap screen lock and biometrics, not external lock, screen lock and biometrics, draw your current pattern, and here now you need to tap on the fingerprints. Once you're in the fingerprint section, you need to tap your fingerprint over here. Now as you can see, tap remove, tap add fingerprint, tap continue, tap register, and scan your finger once again. Just re-register your fingerprint. If your screen gets dirty from time to time, just try to clean it and everything should be fine. Now as you can see, our fingerprint is done and we can check if it works. If it does work for you, that's nice, but if it doesn't, go back to the biometrics and try to add another fingerprint. Here, fingerprints, add fingerprint, try to add another one, I mean the same finger, but as another fingerprint on in the device. This should help you. If it doesn't help you, you need to now go to the next step. So, if you do have any screen protector on your device, try to remove it. As you can see, I don't, and it works very nice for me. If you do have one, remove it, because it may cause interference, because here we do have our fingerprint below the screen, under the screen, so yeah. If you do have here a hole, that's here, and you can just tap, you can just touch the display itself and not the screen protector over here. That's nice, you can leave it. But if it covers it, you need to take it off. And if it still doesn't work, you need to go to the settings here, scroll all the way down to the software update, tap download and install. And now here, if you do have any updates, update your phone, because you may fix some sensor bugs. That's it, hope it helps you, and goodbye.